Today we are heading towards Somwati Waterfalls. This waterfalls is located near to Kudremukh Peak. So basically currently we are at Kalsa at our homestay and just we have started from here. These are very narrow roads, a thrilling experience. So as you can see, this is a complete nature place where you cannot see a single house, and we are heading towards our homestay, and from there we will be going towards Kudremukh. As you can see, we go further, the road becomes steep since it's an off-road and very less population in this place. I would call it as a hidden place, and this is one of the most famous place for trekkers. Since Kudremukh is very near to this place, you can actually capture and see so many wildlife out here. This is an amazing jeep ride with 4x4 Mahindra, and as we head, you just enjoy the nature. I'll be back. And one more thing is, you have to hire a 4x4 jeep since the way out here is not that great. It's full of off-roads and you have to enjoy it if you are a nature lover. You can always see lush green coffee estates while you pass to this place, and you can see how good the drive is. You can always see small houses where people are there, and usually forest officers and guard posts also check this place frequently since this is very close to Kudremukh, and this is currently village Mudodi. This village is Mudodi where the waterfalls is located. I can see the Kudremukh peaks just in front of me, and it looks great. There's one more house here. It's a very good one between the nature. So now the muddy road starts, full of water. Probably it would have rained here last night. Just don't forget to subscribe our channel also, since I'm new to this YouTube and I love nature, adventure and other stuffs. On our way, the forest guards stopped us and asked where are we heading towards. So our local guide told them we are heading towards Somwati Waterfalls, and it all started again. I'll be posting many videos for my Chikmagalur hidden gems near to Samshe, Kalsa and Kudremukh. So please subscribe to the channel, and as you can see, this is the water flowing from the mountains. Small waterfall kind of a thing when it heads towards town. So we are heading up now. I love this nature. Roads are full of ups and downs. From my homestay to this place is almost 5 kilometers, full of off-road. Oh, this view is amazing. A very calm and quiet place between the forest surrounded by Kudremukh ranges. On the way, please do not litter this place since we have to preserve our mother nature. Almost reached the place, maybe around 500 meters left. Then more lush green trails to come ahead. There is a post backside. The forest officers asked us where are we heading towards. We said Somvati Waterfalls. So we finally reached the place, and you can see the waterfalls is above, and this is the water collected and goes down the mountains. From here it joins into Somvati river, and also I can see a small temple which is a very old temple, and recently they have renovated this temple. Somvati Falls is the modest yet charming waterfalls nestled near Mudodi Village, the base camp for the renowned Kudremukh in Karnataka, Chikmagalur district. Although the water stands at a height of approximately 8 to 10 feet, as you can see above, I can see the peak of Kudremukh, and from there this waterfall generates, and you can see through the drone captures the way it comes down towards the hills, and It's a delightful stop, area surrounded by lush greenery and gentle cascade of water over the rocks. Provides a refreshing experience, especially after a trek to the Kudremukh peak. I would request you to love this and enjoy the drone shots. Yes, me and my dad behind the temple. We actually worshipped at this temple, and it's a very historic place according to my local guide, where he has told that once Maharishi during the Mahabharata time came here and took a dip into this water. Moreover, I would love to tell you that just be careful of the snakes and other insects here. I have seen a lot of small water snakes which are not poisonous, but you don't know. So just be careful.